Hello everyone, today I'd like to talk a little bit about an infamous spew from Microsoft called PC Health Check. Rest assured, it is not a malware video, so everything is cool. I just want you to give you my perspective on the application itself. It really is just to fire up a discussion about it, because I have seen no one talk about it ever since Windows 11 came out, and even before that. So I find PC Health Check really odd. And I kinda want to articulate it so you don't get overwhelmed and I don't spit 20 incoherent words a second. I guess a place to start is the beginning. The beginning of the PC Health Check outrage in October 2021, when Microsoft announced an update that, guess what? Right, it forcefully installed unwanted software on your computer. Well, these aren't breaking news, you say. That happens every other month. Now the problem is the KB5005463, which is the codename for that October update package, shipped PC Health Check on your computer. Any parallels yet? The KB was released on October 21st, 2022. When was Windows 11 released? Let's see. That's in Russian, hold up. October 5th, 2021. So, 2 weeks prior. That's the information from MSDN, the KB upload date. Of course, the update description in Windows Update does not contain any useful information on PC Health Check. However, the PC Health Check application is apparent when you open MSDN. The article does not hide anything. Let's check out the summary. Okay, hold up. Oh, key features. Windows 11 eligibility. That is the first things first. Windows 11 eligibility. Keep that in mind. The rest we'll take a look at it in a bit. The most important part is the line right here. We will not install PC Health Check on Windows 11 devices. But how come? If PC Health Check includes diagnostics to monitor device health and troubleshooting to improve performance, why don't Windows 11 users deserve that utility? And to understand that, I got a Microsoft package with PC Health Check. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay, the EULA, I accept, install. Let's add a shortcut to desktop, why not? We're currently on Windows 10, which PC Health Check was intended for, so everything should be seamless, and it pretty much was. Except with updates, you don't even get to see the installer or anything. In Windows 7, you used to be able to see the installers, like, for instance, Windows Essentials. Oh, these were the days, man. Alrighty, PC Health at a glance, which you can select, which leads me to conclude that it is a web page, or not, but it is coded in C++, that's what I know. Introducing Windows 11. First things first, introducing Windows 11. So, the most important part in monitoring device health is checking whether the PC meets Windows 11's requirements or not. Seems like it, since they placed it on the spotlight and made it look so shiny and colorful. Let's see what's next. We got backup and sync, and attention required. Sounds good, but what do they have to say here? Sign in with a Microsoft account to continue. Sign in with a Microsoft account. The classic, man. The classic. Well, too bad there is no other option, and there is not even a mention of shadow copies, which I expected to see in the official Microsoft application targeted at security. Just so you know, shadow copies are your pretty much only hope if you get infected with ransomware. Essentially, these are your files, but previous versions of them, if you can put it that way. Okay, so anyway, who cares about backup, right? Let's see what Windows Update has to say. Oh, I got some Microsoft spyware pending install, and yeah, I don't see any other information otherwise. You can just open Windows Update and that's it. Yeah, storage capacity, 32% full. Fair enough. No attention required here. Again, there are no tools to help manage storage, or I don't see any useful information except that my storage is 32% full, which I can kind of deduce by looking at this PC. This bar is third full. I think it's 33% full. Yeah, you see what I mean? So far, everything redirects you to Settings app, which you already have installed. And finally, startup time, which we can see details of. Startup times can vary. Oh, thank you for reminding me that installing more apps may impact my startup time. Wow, I'm actually really surprised, in a bad way. I kinda expected this tab to have at least the startup time of my computer that most of the diagnostics applications are capable of showing. Well, too bad. And that's it. We can also rename our computer, which also leads to settings. We can also, I guess, see tips on PC health. I guess passable, because I can't really bother to install tips. I usually always uninstall UVP garbage for my installs, even VM installs. And we can click to see more on Windows 11. So what do we have in the end? The only two working features are the backup and sync, which is sign in with a Microsoft account to get started, and the eligibility check for Windows 11. And that is it. A security and diagnostics app from Microsoft, ladies and gentlemen. Still don't understand? Let me use simple English and cover your ears, cause I'm about to power off. This app is fucking dog shit. Its only purpose is to entice users to install Windows 11. We've seen this from Microsoft dozens of times in the past. Do you remember the Windows 10 upgrade assistant bullshit from 2016? Yeah, this is basically the same concept, except they toned down the aggression. I'm really fed up with these insane, stupid anti-consumer practices. They are unacceptable. Anyway, let's see what else this application has to offer. Let's check if my VM is eligible for Windows 11 while we're at it, and no, it's not. Of course, TPM, cryptography, maybe see all results, secure boot, my Alder Lake supporting Windows 11, great. Oh wait, this requirement is not met. Why is this a check mark? I have a single processor core, dude. And finally, let's drive that point home. We all know now why Microsoft didn't install PC health check on Windows 11 machines. Still, it's possible, since Windows 11 is basically Windows 10. Let's try it out. Okay, accept, install, and open. This is my host machine, see what we get. Oh, it's not different here. How cute. You're still introducing Windows 11 to me. What a fake application. Everything is the same except the scroll bar. That is broken, it should not be here. What the heck? This is a rogue. This should be a rogue. How is this nonsense still accepted by the community? They're lying to you, they're giving you bloatware, they're stripping you of features. You can't make the taskbar small. It's Start 11, it's not Microsoft anymore. The only reason I use Windows by this point is because of software compatibility. I cannot install Vegas on Linux. This is a shipwreck, and we are passengers, my fellow Windows users. At least I got an opportunity to speak up against this. Many people didn't, and I completely understand this. Because at very least, Microsoft did not force an update this time, but instead, more likely, tricked you into it. Thanks for watching, and take care.